I asked Google Gemini to go ahead and write for me a 2 weeks balanced diet daily meal plan. And Google Gemini went ahead and wrote for me a 2 weeks meal plan for a balanced diet. Now, here's the problem. I wanted this information to be in a table format, but as you can see here, what is being produced is a list format for 14 days. And I like it to be more organized, and the best way to organize this information is to make it into a table. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your charts in Google Gemini into a table, and then I'll also show you how you can successfully copy that table into a Microsoft Word document or a Google document without losing the table format. So my name is Isaac, and this is a Minute with AI. The reason why I got this information in this format is because I didn't instruct Gemini to give it in a table format. So the simple solution to this problem is to ask Gemini to convert this information into a table format. And this, I'll do it on the same thread so that it works on the same information that is on this thread. So I'll ask now convert into a table. So I'll just ask it to convert into a table, and Google Gemini should be able to go ahead and convert that information into a table. And look at that. Wow, it went ahead and converted into a table. And here we have 2 tables, and it did a very great job. But still, I can still ask it to combine the 2 tables. So once you have gotten your result, you can now export. You can see this is in form of tables. Now the good thing with Gemini is you can export directly here into a Google Sheet. But if you want to transfer this information into a Google Docs or a Microsoft Word document, I've just left a video down below that you can watch and learn how you can copy and paste tables from Google Gemini into a Word document the right way. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.